Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us move to the next question, number 35 of JEE Advanced Physics paper 2015. Hello students, let us solve the question number 35. It says that in terms of potential difference V, electric current I and permittivity epsilon naught and permeability mu naught and the speed of light c, the dimensionally correct equations is or are. So you have to, basically this is a very simple question, like time pass question. You have to only find the dimension of each and everything, put in each expression, whichever is correct, that is the correct answer. So first of all you have to find the expression for V potential, then I, then epsilon naught, then mu naught, then C. All the dimensions you have to find. So let us find the dimension of all these things and put it here. What is V? Potential difference. V is equal to W upon Q. W is work energy, that is ml square T minus 2 divided by Q. Q is I into T, because I is Q upon T, so I into T. So I write I into T. So this will give whatever it is, that is ml square T minus 3 I minus 1. So B is ml square T minus 3 I minus 1. What is I? I is I. Okay, this is the dimension of this. Epsilon naught we will find from Coulomb's law, that force is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge square divided by distance square. So epsilon naught is, dimension of epsilon naught is F Q square, that is I square T square. Q is IT, so I square T square divided by fourth dimension is MLT minus 2 and R square dimension is L square. So if I solve this, then I'll get M minus 1, LQ is there, goes up, it is L minus 3, T goes off, T raised to 4, I square. So this is M minus 1, L minus 3, T raised to 4, I raised to 2. Permittivity, then this is permeability. Permeability can be obtained from which expression? From expression of, I will write the permittivity expression from the expression of C equals to 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught root. From this expression I will take it out. So it is C square is 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. So this mu naught is 1 upon epsilon naught C square. Epsilon naught I have already got it, it is 1 upon this one, so it goes up, so the sign will change. I'll write directly L3 T minus 4 I minus 2, sign will change, divided by C square is, C is light, speed of light, speed is LT minus 1, so it is L square T minus 2 because square is there. If I solve this, then I'll get M will be there, L square will cancel, 1 L is left, T goes up, minus 2 is there and I minus 2. This is the dimension of mu naught. So MLT minus 2, MLT minus 2, I minus 2, then C is LT minus 1. So these are the dimensions of each and every quantities, and you have to check whether this equation is correct or not. So first one, mu naught I square, option number 1 we have to check. Option number 1 says, option number 1 or A is mu naught I square is epsilon naught V square. You have to say that whether it is correct or wrong. So we will take the use of this. Mu naught is this and I square. So if I multiply mu naught this with I square, this will be MLT minus 2. So I'm just writing directly MLT minus 2. Epsilon naught V square, epsilon naught is this and square of this. So I will do that. Epsilon naught is M minus 1 L minus 3 t raised to 4 I square, and V square we already have calculated. V square is multiplied and it is m square L4 t minus 6 I minus 2. Only I'm just putting the values over here there. Okay. Next, what we'll get? We have to say that this and this will balance out. This is m square, this is m minus 1, so m is left. This is L raised to power minus 3, and this is 4, this is 1, so only L is there. T raised to 4, t raised to minus 6, so t raised to minus 2 is there. I raised to 2, I raised to minus 2 cancel out, this is left. That means this will be same as this, so option 1 is correct. Similarly, if option 1 is correct, then option number 2 cannot be correct, because this is the same expression. If I take out I square and V square and only write I and V, then it will never be correct. So this is wrong. Option 2 is wrong without solving. This is correct. Option 3 I have to check, because this is another option. Option number 3, that is your third option. That it says that I equals to epsilon naught CV. This is the option. Now I will take I as I, nothing going to change, and the dimension of this epsilon naught is here m minus 1 L minus 3, m minus 1 L minus 3, t4 I square, t4 I square, c is L t minus 1, v already I've got here, v is this one, m L square t minus 3, m L square t minus 3, and I raised to power minus 1, and see that whether these are equal or not. M raised to the power minus 1, here m raised to the power 1 is there, so this will cancel out, no m, so m to the power 0. L to the power minus 3 here, 1 L is there, 2 L is there, so L to the power 0, because minus 3 plus 3. T to the power 4 here, t to the power minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, t to the power 4 minus 4, t to the power 0, I square is there, I minus 1 is there, so only I is there. So if I solve this, then dimension of this is same as this is also correct. If this is correct, then what about this? The fourth one. The fourth one says this one: mu epsilon naught CV is equal to this. Then if I divide C here, it should be I by C. It should be I by C. It should not be mu naught IC. It cannot be mu naught IC. But if you want to check it, then also you can check it. But this will not be correct. Let us check that also. Option number 4, mu naught Ci equals to epsilon naught V. Mu naught Ci, mu naught is m L t minus 2 I minus 2, that already we have calculated, just I'm putting the values. C is L t minus 1, I is I, and that should be equal to this one. So first let us solve this. What is this value? So this comes out to be, how much is this? M. So this is M, this is L square, this is L square, t raised to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, I raised to minus 1. This is the value. And this side, how much will solve here and see if they're matching or not matching. Epsilon naught value m L t, m minus 1 L minus 3 t raised to 4 I raised to 2, that is the value of epsilon naught that we already calculated, and we already calculated m L square t minus 3, m L square t minus 3 I minus 1. So if I solve this, this will give me mm cancels, so it is m raised to power 0. So initially it is not matching, so I don't have to solve for the rest one, because this is m is there and here I'm getting m naught. The rest whatever it is, this is not correct, so option 4 will not match. This is not correct. So 1 and 3 are correct options to these questions. Okay, thank you.